In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to UKG account 2025, step by step. Let's get you signed in quickly and securely. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type launch.ukg.net or search for UKG login and select the official UKG site. You'll know you're in the right place if you see a secure connection with the padlock icon and a URL that includes ukg.net or the trusted sign-in partner page. Some organizations use a company-specific link, so if your employer gave you one, use that. On the login page, you'll see a field for your username. Enter the username your employer provided, exactly as it was issued. For some people, this may be a company email. For others, it might be an employee ID or a custom username. Pay attention to spacing and capitalization as required by your organization's format. If you're unsure what your username should be, check your onboarding materials or reach out to your HR or IT help desk. Next, enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't accidentally on. If you use a password manager, confirm it's filling credentials for the correct site before you proceed. For security, avoid pasting your password from unsecured notes or saving it in your browser on shared or public devices. If you see an option like Keep Me Signed In, only enable it on a device you personally control. Now click Sign In. The page may briefly redirect, and depending on your company's setup, you might see a familiar authentication screen from UKG's trusted identity provider. If you're prompted for additional verification, such as a code sent to your phone or an authenticator app, follow the on-screen instructions to complete that step. This extra verification helps protect your account. If the sign-in doesn't work, don't worry. Double check that the username is correct and retype your password carefully. If you still can't get in, use the forgot password or need help links on the page if available for your organization. Keep in mind that multiple failed attempts may temporarily lock your account, so it's better to reset your password than to guess repeatedly. Also, make sure you're using a supported browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox, and that cookies are enabled. Clearing your cache can fix unusual loading issues. Once you're in, you're all set to access your UKG dashboard. Remember to sign out when you're finished, especially on shared devices, to keep your information secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you log in confidently and safely.